The Skytech Rampage Gaming PC delivers an exceptional gaming experience with powerful performance and cutting-edge components. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this gaming PC in the description below at the latest price. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 9700X processor, this system offers a base clock speed of 3.8 GHz, boosting up to an impressive 5.5 GHz to handle even the most demanding applications and games without breaking a sweat. Complemented by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card featuring 16 GB of GDDR5 memory, the Rampage effortlessly pushes detailed 1440p Quad HD visuals with smooth frame rates above 60 FPS, allowing you to enjoy titles like Call of Duty, Elden Ring, and Fortnite at ultra settings without compromise. Memory and storage are also impressive, with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM clocked at 5,600 MHz, ensuring rapid multitasking and game loading times, paired with a blazing fast 1TB Gen4 NVMe SSD that provides storage speeds up to 30 times faster than traditional hard drives. This combination means your games, applications, and files load almost instantly, enhancing your overall system responsiveness. Cooling is another key feature, with a 360mm ARGB all-in-one liquid cooler maintaining optimal CPU temperatures even during intense gaming sessions, preventing thermal throttling and ensuring the system performs consistently under pressure. Connectivity and expandability are well covered, offering a variety of USB ports including 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1, as well as HDMI and DisplayPort outputs for versatile monitor setups. The PC ships with Windows 11 Home 64-bit pre-installed and comes free of bloatware, allowing you to start gaming or working without unnecessary software slowing things down. Additionally, Skytech includes a free gaming keyboard and mouse, so you can get right into the action from the moment you unbox the system. With its sleek black mesh front design, 1-year warranty on parts and labor, and assembled in the USA for quality assurance, the Skytech Rampage Gaming PC is a well-rounded, high-performance rig built to satisfy both casual and competitive gamers alike.